Eating clean, a guide to healthier food choices. Hello everyone. Today we're going to explore the concept of eating clean. This phrase is often used in discussions about healthy eating and lifestyle, but what does it really mean? Let's dive into it and understand why it's important for our well-being. Eating clean refers to choosing whole, natural foods and avoiding processed items. This means focusing on foods that are minimally processed and as close to their natural state as possible. Think fresh fruits and vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. It's not just about losing weight. It's about nourishing your body with nutritious, wholesome foods. Adopting a clean eating lifestyle can have numerous health benefits. It can lead to weight loss, improved energy levels, better skin health, and a reduced risk of chronic diseases like diabetes and heart disease. Clean eating also often involves cooking more at home, which means you have full control over what goes into your food. Starting to eat clean can be simple with these tips. 1. Read labels. Avoid foods with a long list of ingredients, especially those you can't pronounce. 2. Shop the perimeter. Most whole foods are located around the perimeter of the store. 3. Meal prep. Prepare meals in advance to avoid the temptation of processed foods. 4. Drink water. Stay hydrated and avoid sugary drinks. 5. Listen to your body. Eat when you're hungry and stop when you're full. It's too expensive. While some organic foods can be pricier, many whole foods like grains and seasonal produce are affordable. It's time-consuming. With proper planning and meal prep, eating clean can be efficient and even save time. Limited food choices. There's a wide variety of foods available that fit into the clean eating category. Eating clean is not just a diet, it's a lifestyle choice that can lead to better health and well-being. Remember, it's about making small, sustainable changes towards a healthier diet. I hope this video helps you on your journey to eating cleaner and feeling better. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.